FBD Disability Insurance Ireland app. The pros, the cons. The FBD Disability Insurance Ireland app is built to make managing your disability coverage simple and accessible. Most people assume it's only for checking policy details, but the surprising truth is that it also allows you to submit claims, track progress, and manage premiums all from your smartphone. One of the main advantages is claim submission. The app allows you to upload all necessary documents, track your claim in real time, and receive notifications about updates. Premium tracking is also efficient, with reminders for upcoming payments and easy access to your complete payment history. Detailed policy information, including coverage limits and benefit amounts, is instantly accessible, giving you full control. The app's accessibility is another strong point. You can update personal information or request minor policy changes without having to contact customer service, which saves time and reduces stress. On the downside, offline functionality is limited, so a stable internet connection is needed for most features. Some users report slower performance when handling large files or reviewing older claims. Advanced planning tools, such as income replacement calculators or long-term benefit projections, are also absent, which may be useful for more detailed financial planning. In conclusion, the FBD Disability Insurance Ireland app is a practical, user-friendly tool for managing your disability coverage. Its strengths are streamlined claims handling, efficient premium tracking, and easy access to policy details. While it lacks advanced planning tools, it provides all the essential features to confidently manage your disability insurance from anywhere.